Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class we will solve the another pattern. So the pattern is like the pattern have to be is like this. So it should be like this. The pattern should be like this. So I hope you understand. So what pattern we have to do it. So this is the pattern we have to print. So in the previous problem, we have printed the top also. But now we are not including the top. That's it. So we have to write the same program, but we should not include the top. That's it. So import java dot util dot star scanner s is equal to new scanner system dot in. So int n is equal to sc dot next in and int m is equal to c dot next in. Or you can take only one. So I'll open for loop, which starts with 1 and ends with a less than or equal to n and I plus plus. So it's better to write row, then you can understand better. Row. So I'll open row. If row is equal to n, row is equal to n, then I will do for loop which starts with 1 and I less than or equal to n, and I plus plus. Now I will print the stars in the one line. Or else I will print the left side stars and I will do for loop. It starts with 1 and I less than or equal to minus 2, not less than or equal to is equal to I plus plus and I will give space. So it should start from 0. Less than, right? So it should start from 0. System dot out dot println not println space. And after that we have to print the right side star. System dot out dot print star. So for the each line, we have to print the next line. System dot out dot println. That's it. Yeah, that's on this program. So now before see the output is correct. So what I did, so yesterday we want the top also. That's why I included 1 and n. But now I want only n, nth line. This is 1th line. I hope you understand. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is a nth line. So if rho is equal to n, it's 4. Then I will print the stars from 1 to n. I printed. And also I have to print the left side stars. These are left side stars. From, and I will give some space 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. And right side stars 0, 1, 2. And after that, each line I want each line should print on different lines. For that, I have used this statement. So that's it. So that's it, friends. If you have any doubt, please comment in the chat. I will help you out. And if you find this video helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefit from this video. And please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification. And before that, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it, friends. Thank you, friends. Thank you.